The Life in the UK learning material is divided into 5 chapters. In this video, we will cover Chapter 5, the UK Government, the Law and Your Role, Test 9. Question number 1. Membership to the Commonwealth is compulsory for its members. Options are A. True, B. False. Correct option is B. False. Membership to the Commonwealth is voluntary. Question number 2. How many verdicts are possible in trials in Scotland? Options are A. 2. Guilty or not guilty. B. 3. Guilty, not guilty, or not proven. C. 3. Guilty, not guilty, or on hold. D. 2. Guilty or not proven. Correct option is B. 3. Guilty, not guilty, or not proven. The jury has to listen to the evidence presented at the trial and then decide a verdict of guilty or not guilty based on what they have heard. In Scotland, a third verdict of not proven is also possible. Question number 3. Which of the following charities works with sick animals? Options are A. PDSA, B. NSPCC, C. Crisis, D. Age UK. Correct option is A. PDSA. The PDSA is the People's Dispensary for Sick Animals. Question number 4. Which of the following is the responsibility of the Home Secretary? Options are A. Crime, Policing and Immigration. B. Managing relationships with foreign countries. C. Education and Health. D. National and International Defence. Correct option is A. Crime, Policing and Immigration. The Home Secretary is responsible for crime, policing and immigration. Question number 5. What is the minimum age required for a citizen to stand for public office? Options are A. 16, B. 18, C. 21, D. 25. Correct option is B. 18. Most citizens of the UK, the Irish Republic or the Commonwealth aged 18 or over can stand for public office. Question number 6. Who makes sure that the opposition has a guaranteed amount of time to debate issues which it chooses during political debates? Options are A. The Shadow Cabinet, B. The Speaker, C. The King, D. Nobody. Correct option is B. The Speaker. The Speaker keeps order during political debates to make sure the rules are followed. This includes making sure the opposition has a guaranteed amount of time to debate issues which it chooses. Question number 7. Citizens of Liechtenstein can drive in the UK for as long as their driving licence is valid. Options are A. True, B. False. Correct option is A. True, if your driving licence is from a country in the European Union, EU, Iceland, Liechtenstein or Norway. You can drive in the UK for as long as your licence is valid. Question number 8. What is the money raised from the income tax used for? Choose 3 options. Options are A. Education, B. The National Grid System, C. Police and the Armed Forces, D. Roads. Correct options are A. Education, C. Police and the Armed Forces, and D. Roads. Money raised from income tax pays for government services such as roads, education, police and the armed forces. Question number 9. When were the forced marriage protection orders introduced for England, Wales and Northern Ireland, which aimed at protecting a person from being forced into a marriage or to protect a person in a forced marriage? Options are A. 2007, B. 2008, C. 2010, D. 2011. Correct option is B. 2008 forced marriage. Protection orders were introduced in 2008 for England, Wales and Northern Ireland under the Forced Marriage, Civil Protection Act 2007. Question number 10. In the UK, if the jury finds a defendant guilty, the judge decides the penalty. Options are A. True, B. False. Correct option is A. True. This statement is true. Question number 11. Which of the following countries is a member of the Commonwealth? Options are A. Greece, B. Austria, C. Mexico, D. Bangladesh. Correct option is D. Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a member of the Commonwealth. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a principle included in the European Convention of Human Rights? Options are A. Prohibition of torture, B. Prohibition of immoral thoughts, C. Freedom of expression, speech, D. Prohibition of slavery and forced labor. Correct option is B. Prohibition of immoral thoughts. Prohibition of immoral thoughts is not one of the principles included in the European Convention of Human Rights. Question number 13. A system of government where the whole adult population gets a say is known as. Options are A. Monarchy, B. Republic, C. Communism, D. Democracy. Correct option is D. Democracy. Democracy is a system of government where the whole adult population gets a say. This might be by direct voting or by choosing representatives to make decisions on their behalf. Question number 14. Which of the following statements is correct? Options are A. Arranged marriages refer to marriages where both parties agree to the marriage. B. Arranged marriages refer to marriages where one or both parties do not give their consent to enter into the partnership. Correct option is A. Arranged marriages refer to marriages where both parties agree to the marriage. Question number 15. The devolved governments in Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland have the power to legislate on any issues that affect them. Options are A. True, B. False. Correct option is B. False. Devolved governments in Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland have the power to legislate on certain issues. Question number 16. What name is given to the members of the House of Commons? Options are A. MPs, B. AMs, C. Peers, D. MEPs. Correct option is A. MPs. All of the elected MPs form the House of Commons. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a role of the King? Options are A. To inaugurate important business in the UK, B. To receive foreign ambassadors and high commissioners, C. To entertain visiting heads of state, D. To make state visits overseas. Correct option is D. To make state visits overseas. The King receives foreign ambassadors and high commissioners, entertains visiting heads of state, and makes state visits overseas in support of diplomatic and relationships with other counties. Question number 18. The Speaker is a neutral MP and does not represent a political party. Options are A. True, B. False. Correct option is A. True. The Speaker is neutral and does not represent a political party, even though he or she is an MP, represents a constituency and deals with the constituents' problems like any other MP. Question number 19. How can a person facing domestic violence find a safe place to stay? Choose two options. Options are A. Going to a hotel away from their home, B. Contacting the National Domestic Violence Free Phone Helpline, C. Contacting the police, D. Contacting the hospital. Correct options are B. Contacting the National Domestic Violence Free Phone Helpline and C. Contacting the police. If you are facing domestic violence, you can get help from the 24-hour National Domestic Violence Free Phone Helpline on 080820000247 at any time, or the police can help you find a safe place to stay. Question number 20. Who has control over policy and laws governing defence, foreign affairs, immigration, taxation and social security in Northern Ireland? Options are A. The Irish Government, B. The Central UK Government, C. The Northern Ireland Assembly, D. The Monarch. Correct option is B. The Central UK Government. Government policy and laws governing defence, foreign affairs, immigration, taxation and social security all remain under central UK government control. Question number 21. The devolved governments in Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland cannot control policies and laws governing taxation and social security. Options are A. True. B. False. Correct option is A. True. Policy and laws governing defence, foreign affairs, immigration, taxation and social security all remain under central UK government control. However, many other public services, such as education, are controlled by the devolved administrations. Question number 22. In the UK, brutality and violence in the home is not a crime. Options are A. True. B. False. Correct option is B. False. In the UK, brutality and violence in the home is a serious crime. Question number 23. UK laws ensure that people are not treated unfairly in any area of life or work because of their age, disability, sex, pregnancy and maternity, race, religion or belief, sexuality or marital status. Options are A. True. B. False. Correct option is A. True. This statement is true. Question number 24. Since 1997, some powers have been devolved from the central government to give people in Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland more control over matters that directly affect them. Options are A. True. B. False. Correct option is A. True. This statement is true.
Thank you for learning with Momin Hoon. We hope this video has helped you better understand the life in the UK test. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, success comes with the right preparation. Stay connected for more videos, tips, and practice questions. Subscribe, like, and share to help others on their journey. Momin Hoon, your trusted partner in success.